Determine whether integer is between two other integers. How do I determine whether a given integer is between two other integers, for example greater than / equal to 10,000 and less than / equal to 30,000? What I've attempted so far is not working.
For details, see the docs.
Your operator is incorrect. It should be if number is greater than or equal to 10,000 and number is lower than or equal to 30,000 column. Additionally, Python has a shorthand for this sort of thing. If 10,000 is lower than or equal to number is lower than or equal to 30,000 column.
Your code snippet actually checks if number is larger than both 10,000 and 30,000. Assuming you want to check that the number is in the range 10,000 to 30,000, you could use the Python interval comparison. This Python feature is further described in the Python documentation.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.